Hey guys, Craig Dweller here. So as you can see, I just dropped this old half-dead cherry tree here in the backyard. I just want to show my chainsaw, the one I use. I don't use it every day, obviously. I don't need it every day. This is a great saw for around the house or a small farm, in my opinion. It's a Husqvarna 340. It's reasonably priced. It's got a 13-inch bar on it. You can put a little bigger bar, I think up to a 16 if you need to. It's only like 40.80 cc's, cubic centimeters. So it's not a huge saw, but it's perfect for around the house. Like you said, I'm not the best tree feller in the world, but I'm just trying to be safe. I think I have my glasses on. I'll at least wear eye protection. My ears are shot anyway, so I don't really worry about my ears. But yeah, it's a perfect little saw. Like I said, this cherry tree was half dead. We got some landscaping going on in a couple weeks here. I needed to get this tree out of the way anyway. So yeah, it's a nice little saw. Not that expensive. Just figured I'd let you know what I do for when I need to cut wood around here. We do burn wood. We supplement with our oil with a wood stove. So I do use this along with a log splitter, but again, it's not something I would use, I don't think, every day. If I was in business, you'd use a much bigger saw. This is a great limbing saw though. It's not that heavy. I think it's, actually I don't know how much it weighs. I don't know, but you can look it up. It's the Husqvarna 340. Yahoo.